This is Martise with CoinMarketRef. Now I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, as well as set up an account on Binance US. Let's hop right in. Go to binance.us/en or use the referral link in the description and press register in the top right hand corner. You can sign up by putting in your email and making a strong password. If you would like a free $15 in Bitcoin, then you can input 350000947 in the referral ID field, and you'll be credited $15 once you've made at least $100 in trading volume on Binance US. So it's free monies to add to your investments. Now you can click create account and verify that email address. You will then be asked to sign up again to Binance US and be prompted for two-factor authentication. I chose SMS authentication for now. To see how to do Google authentication, follow the link in the description. Then you are prompted to put in your phone number and click send SMS. P.S. It won't automatically send, so you actually have to click the send SMS button, or you'll be waiting there forever for a code that'll never come. Then you can enter the code and click enable SMS. Awesome. Now, we want to click on Verify Identity near the top of the page, and then click Verify Identity next to Basic Verification. P.S. Basic Verification is all you need in order to send crypto to and from Binance US. Enter the basic information. By the way, you may have to enter your middle name in order for it to register you. Then click Submit, and you should quickly be verified. Next. Click Verify next to Advanced Verification. Verify the information is correct, and then add a utility or bank statement with your address on it. Here's an example of John Doe's statement with the address near the top. Then we do text message verification again, and then click Next. You will be asked to identify yourself with your passport, identity card, or driver's license. We're going to use driver's license authentication and upload the file starting with the front of the driver's license and then the back. Click Confirm, and finally a picture of yourself. Make sure all images are clear and amazing. Click Complete. Click Return to Profile, then refresh the page if need be to get pending verification to show as verified, and click Verify under Payment Management. Verify the account details are correct, fill out the questionnaire, then click Return to Profile and click Manage under Payment Management. We can then press Link a new account at the top right, enter our routing and account number, and click Next. Great! We can now make bank deposits and buy some Bitcoins and other crypto. Click Make Fiat Deposit. Click Deposit next to USD under Fiat. Select your bank, add the amount you would like to purchase, click Continue, verify the information is correct, and click Confirm. Congratulations! You have now deposited USD into your account. After you refresh the page, you should see it in your account under Total Balance and in your recent deposit history. By the way, if your balance is hidden, you can press the I next to Estimated Value to reveal your balance. Now we may go to Markets and Advanced at the top left of the page. The trading pairs are at the top right of the page, and we're using the BTC to USD trading pair in order to buy Bitcoin with US dollars. Now select the price you would like to purchase Bitcoin at, then the amount of USD you would like to trade for Bitcoin, then click Buy Bitcoin. Once the order fills, your wallet will be updated and your order will show as filled in your order history. Congratulations, you've now purchased Bitcoin. This has been a video highlighting how to buy Bitcoin with Binance US with CoinMarketRef. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and read the description for more.